Okay, so this is the system demo. I'm only going to do 3 problems, all of them with the fractions. I think that you can do the whole number ones if you can do a fraction one, okay? All right, so let's start with number 1 because I think most of you started with number 1. I like to rewrite this in the order of x and then y and then constant equals 0 first so I can see what I'm dealing with. So here is I'm gonna make this negative 1/3 x plus y. Well, I think you're not gonna like that. All right, so if I'm gonna put this on the other side, I gotta change the sign. So let's do it that way. You probably prefer this. Minus y minus 1 equals 0. So that's this. Now don't forget equals 0. If there is no equals 0, these two are not equivalent. And if you don't have equals 0, you can't solve the system. Right? And then you get the 5x minus 8y minus 22 equals 0. So this is a system you have to solve. And looking at this number, you have 2 options. Either make this a 8y, so the same as 8y, or make this a 5x. And if you make this a 5x, you're going to get rid of fractions. So I think that's better for you. So I'm going to multiply this by 15. Right? So you got the 15 over 3x minus 15y minus 15 equals 0. Now don't forget to multiply each terms, right? Some of you, I saw them making the mistake of just multiplying one term. You cannot do that. If you want to multiply, the other side is still 0 because 0 times 15 is 0. That's the nice thing about putting 0 on the other side. Okay, so this is 5x minus 15y minus 15 equals 0. So now the other equation, put it right under. Y minus 22 equals 0. And since these are the same signs, you want to subtract them, right? So this is going to be 0. Minus and minus, it's going to be plus. Negative 15y plus 8y is negative 7y. Minus minus, so that's going to be a plus. Negative 15 plus 22 is 7 equals 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So minus 7y equal minus 7, y equal 1. Okay, so and then you can put this into this equation. So 1/3 x minus 1 equals 0. So 1/3 x minus 2 equals 0. Then 1/3 x equals 2. Now you want to divide by 1/3. Dividing by 1/3 is same as multiplying by 3. But the idea is x equal 2 times the reciprocal of this. So 1 over 3, which is 6. So x equals 6 and y equals 1. And let's check the answer. And it's 6 and 1.